folks, my name is Nestor and I'm here with one of our coolest products. This is our beautiful 7-foot reversible folding bar. The whole front of the bar can flip around to two different sides. One side has a smooth, high pressure laminate finish, which makes it easy to either leave as a plain finish or to add some custom stickers for a particular promotion, event. If you want to quickly change, flip it around, and voila, you have a brand new wood finish, this 3-panel finish. Top is a high pressure laminate top, which means this is designed to handle moisture. You know, you're at a bar, it's gonna get wet. You've got a nice deep bar, about 2 feet in depth, again 7 foot wide. So we moved the shelf down to the bottom, but that shelf really resides here, kind of in the center, which is your normal center shelf. We moved it down to show you how it flips around. It's got 3 commercial grade hinges on each corner to allow these ends to fold in. So when you need to move it, you pick up this bar top, you pick up that shelf, you move it out, and then these 2 walls will close in, and then you can fold it up. Now this blue blanket that's on the floor is designed to cover your whole bar. So when you're moving from event to event, you're taking care of this beautiful wood bar and the finish of the bar. Now bar is 100% all real wood, with the exception of the high pressure laminate on the top of the bar, on the top of the shelf, and on the top of the front of the smooth surface. Folks, find this and all of our modular bars at chiavari.com.